व्हेक्टर्स एक्सरसाइज मिसलिनियस मध्ये एक्झाम्पल नंबर 18 आपण पाहणार आहोत. इफ ABC is a triangle whose orthocenter is P and circumcenter is Q, then prove that PA bar plus PB bar plus PC bar is equal to 2PQ bar. या ठिकाणी ऑर्थोसेंटर म्हणजे काय आणि सर्कमसेंटर म्हणजे काय हे तुम्हाला माहित असेल. ऑर्थोसेंटर म्हणजे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन बाय इट्स अल्टिट्यूड. अल्टिट्यूड मधून तयार होणारा जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन असेल तो ऑर्थोसेंटर. आणि सर्कमसेंटर म्हणजे परपेंडिक्युलर बायसेक्टर्सच्या इंटरसेक्शनचा पॉइंट, दॅट इज सर्कमसेंटर. तर आता या ठिकाणी पहा, लेट गिवन P is orthocenter and Q is circumcenter of triangle ABC. Let G is centroid of triangle ABC. Then A bar, B bar, C bar, P bar, Q bar, G bar are position vectors of points A, B, C, then P, Q, G with respect to. What is with respect to? Here is PA, PB and PC are the points from A bar, B bar and C bar. Therefore, their PA bar, PB bar, PC bar, then PQ bar, which are the vertices from P to A. Therefore, PA bar is A bar. That is with respect to point P. Now, G bar is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon T. This is equation number 1 from the centroid form. Now you know that in a triangle, here is first C, circumcenter. Circumcenter is start from here, that is the point Q, and the next point after C is O, that is orthocenter is P, and in center here is G. These are the section formula with the help of orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter. First circumcenter Q, then orthocenter P, and between centroid is Q. They lies in the ratio 1:2 or 2:1, but we start from counting 1 from 2, therefore we also written as 1 to 2. Hence G is centroid, that is Q to P. G is the in-center point of Q and P. Also, it can be written as, or we know that centroid divides circumcenter and orthocenter in the ratio 1:2. Therefore, G bar is equal to, here is 1 P bar plus 2 Q bar upon 1 plus 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2, we get A bar plus B bar plus C bar upon 3 is equal to P bar plus 2Q bar upon 3. That is 3 is cancelled. Then we take here A bar with respect to P bar, B bar with respect to P bar, and C bar with respect to P bar. That we write that PA bar plus PB bar plus PC bar is equal to PP bar plus 2PQ bar. PQ bar. Here PA bar plus PB bar plus PC bar is equal to 2 PQ bar because PP bar is a zero vector. Why are we calling PP bar is zero vector? Let here P A bar, that is A bar. P A bar is A bar, or P bar and P bar, their magnitude, P bar and P bar, their magnitude is 0. Therefore, PP bar is a zero vector. Hence, we say that we get the result PA bar plus PP bar plus PC bar is equal to 2PQ bar. Hence, we prove. Now, we take the next example number 19. If P is orthocenter, if P is orthocenter, Q is circumcenter, and G is centroid of triangle ABC, and G is centroid of triangle ABC. ABC. Then prove that QP bar. Then prove that QP bar is equal to 3. QP bar is equal to 3 QG bar. Here, question number 19 is same as question number 18. Therefore, we take remain this answer. Here, given P bar is orthocenter, Q bar is circumcenter, and G bar is centroid of triangle ABC. Then all these position vectors of these points. Now, here we know about this. We know that the centroid divides circumcenter and orthocenter in the ratio 1 is to 2. That is, here 3G bar is equal to 1 P bar plus 2Q bar. But here is, we also change in P because here is QP and QG. Therefore, all points are with respect to Q. This is the main change in this example. That is, all points are with respect to Q. Therefore, we take 3 QG bar is equal to QP bar plus 2 QQ bar, that is equal to, here is QP bar is equal to QG bar, 3QG bar, because QQ bar is a zero vector. You know about the question 19 and question 18 are same, only small changes are here. Now we take the next question, question number 20. Question number 20 is solved in exercise 5.2. Therefore, we take or we refer from this question, you know the answer. What is this? Question 20 is same as exercise 5.2, question number 10. You refer it. Now we take the next question, question number 21. Dot product of a vector with vectors. Dot product of a vector. Dot product of a vector with vectors. With vectors 3I cap minus 5k cap, comma 7I plus 2I plus 7j and I plus j plus k, I plus j plus k respectively minus 1, 6 and 5 respectively minus 1, 6, 5. Find a vector. Given these three vectors and their dot product with any vector, that is, we consider any vector and their product is minus 1, 6, 5, then we find the vector. Let A bar is equal to 3I minus 5k, B bar is equal to 2I plus 7j and C bar is equal to I plus j plus k. Let R bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Given AR bar equal to minus 1, B R bar is equal to 6 and C R bar is equal to 5. Therefore, A bar dot R bar is equal to, here is 3I minus 5k into xi plus yj plus zk, that is equal to 3x minus 5k, that is equal to minus 1. This is equation number 1. Now B bar dot R bar is equal to, here is 2I plus 7j into xi plus yj plus zk, that is equal to 2x plus 7y is equal to 6, and C bar dot R bar is equal to I plus J plus K into Xi plus Yj into Zk, that is equal to X plus Y plus Z equal to 5. After solving these three equations, we get the value of X, Y, Z, and we put in the values of R bar, then we get the vector. For solving these three equations, let here C 0 minus 5 2 7 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 is equal to into X Y Z is equal to minus 1 6 5. These are the matrix form for solving this equation. Then here you have tried to Cramer's rule. Then we get the result, or we take the matrix method. Now here we take also R1 interchange R3. Therefore 1 1 1. Then 270 as it is 30 minus 5. Then X Y Z, and then 5 6 minus 1. After solving this, here is reduction method. Therefore we take their zeros, 2 3 or 0 is in the form of 0. Then R1 R2 changes, here is 2, also R2 minus 2R1, and R3 changes, R3 minus 3R1. Therefore we get R1 is as it is. R1 is as it is. Then R2 is 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 0 minus 2, minus 2. 6 minus 10, minus 4. Then 3 minus 3, 0. 0 minus 3, minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3, minus 8. And minus 1, minus 15. That is minus 16. Then after we want to change this minus 3 into 0. Therefore, from R1 and R2, we take their R3 changes 5 R3 plus 3 R2. These orders will be taken. That is, here is 15 minus 15, that is 0. Then we take this order. Here R1 and R2 are as it is. Then we change in the R3. Therefore 0 0 0. Then minus 15 plus 15 0. Then 8 5 is 40. Minus 40 minus 6, that is minus 46. 16 into 5 minus 80 minus 12, that is minus 92. Therefore, this equation converted into scalar form. That is, we take x plus y plus z is equal to 5. Then 5y minus 2z is equal to minus 4, and minus 46z is equal to minus 92. Therefore, minus minus cancel, z is equal to 2. Put the value of z in equation B. Therefore, 5y minus 2 into 2, that is equal to minus 4. Therefore, 5z is is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Now put this value in equation A. Therefore x plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 5. That is equal to x is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore r bar is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 k cap. This is the vector for we finding it.